If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Jaggery or gur is a very rich source of iron, and as winters approach, we must increase the consumption of jaggery. So why not make something using jaggery that can be stored for a few days and you can enjoy with a cup of tea or as a sweet after food. Here are Gud Mathris or Indian style biscuits made using whole wheat flour and jaggery. Today I will show you how to make these mathris in oven. So these are not deep fried, but you can always deep fry these if you want.
Please note the ingredients needed to make healthy Gud Mathris. List also given in description below. First, take jaggery or gur in powdered form. Put it in a pan and add half a cup of water. Boil this. When it boils, keep aside and let it cool down. Whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा in a bowl. Add in fennel or saunf powder to it. Now for shortening, we are going to add clarified butter or desi ghee. Now mix all the ingredients nicely with your fingers in between your palms. It would look crumbly. And how do you check that the shortening is sufficient for this flour? Make a ball like this and you should be able to break it with your finger like this. Now take the cool down jaggery water and adding it gradually into the flour that has been shortened. Knead a stiff dough. Don't add all the water at once, please. And the dough is ready. Cover with a cloth and let it rest for about 10 minutes. After that, take a small portion of the dough about size of a little lime and make a ball like this with your palms and flatten the ball in between your palms like this to make it circular. So we are making circular mathris. Shape these mathris well as you roll and flatten between your palms. You can also use a cookie cutter or a small bottle cap to do this. But I like to do Gud Mathris with my hands only. So all circular mathris are ready. Now prick them with a fork. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius and place the mathris on a greased baking tray. Dab some clarified butter or desi ghee over the mathris and close the oven. Bake them for 15 minutes initially. After 15 minutes, open and flip over the mathris. Dab some more clarified butter on this side as well. Now bake them for another 7 to 8 minutes. I baked my mathris for a total of 22 minutes. And after 22 minutes, see, the mathris are ready. They are cooked and look nice and golden. They are hot. Let these beauties cool down before you munch on them or store them. You can also deep fry these mathris if you want. Link is given in description or you can click on the eye shown above. Let me break open one for you. See, it is well cooked from within. Enjoy these mathris throughout the year, anytime with a cup of tea or after food. Thanks for watching.